guys, and gals, and welcome back to Batman Arkham Knight. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite Batman suits. Tell me your favorite Batman suits in the comment section below. Alright, let's get started.
There were 5 soldiers, each one armed and dangerous. Before I can access that terminal, I'll need to take them down.
No!
Scarecrow tells me the reaction is nearly complete. Final evacuation of this facility will begin in T-minus 30 minutes.
So it started. Sure looks like it. This is the part I love. Taking people by surprise. Choppers coming over the horizon, blowing the crap out of the target. How come you're not on one of the choppers then? I ate something bad the other night. It's those damn rations. Still don't feel too hot. That sucks. Yeah, biggest operation ever, and I'm stuck in the rain outside a damn chemical plant, trying not to throw up. Operation said Batman could be heading this way. Maybe we can have some fun and be the ones who kill him.
Remember, all of you, the bat's coming. Be ready.
You think he's...
Okay. Sneak. Not gonna get me.
Did you see that?
Oh my,
Stop the commander from killing the bat.
this is so easy. I could do it in my sleep.
Why does the Knight want him dead so bad?
There we go.
It's safe to access the terminal.
Almost forgot about that. Yeah,
Let's see if Oracle was right. Data connection active. Data decrypting. Someone needs to upgrade their security protocols.
yes, what's going there?
Oracle, I've got the ID codes. If I reach a high vantage point, I can use the bat scanner to locate the workers.
Okay, I've marked the tallest structure in the area on your map. Try not to fall.
I like to fall. Who do you think I am? Jason?
This is perfect. I can release the bat scanner and search for the workers.
Whee!
I've managed to intercept some radio traffic between Scarecrow and this Arkham Knight. Relaying it to you now.
I had him in my sights.
Wow.
Could have ended it right there.
We have not broken him yet. It will
Yeah.
come.
Now I've waited long enough. Batman dies
Really?
tonight.
Why do you hate him so much?
You can never understand.
Yeah.
Your revenge is at hand. This is his last night.
I'll make sure of it.
Any idea who the Arkham Knight is? Sounds like the two of you might have some history.
I've made a lot of enemies.
Yeah, that's true. But we all know who the Arkham Knight is.
It worked. There are 5 ID markers showing up within the facility.
Let's hope they're still alive.
I really doubt they are still alive. Yeah, okay.
Are you seeing the spike on the internal router? Yeah, don't worry, it's nothing. Just a glitch.
Ow.
Take
You
that.
jerk.
Let's see what you're made of,
Wow.
Batman.
That's nice. I did not know I can use enemy weapons against them. That's nice, guys. That is very, very cool, I agree.
Oracle, they've killed one of the workers.
Damn it. We've got to stop them. Listen, I've managed to hack into the militia comms network. You'll be able to listen in on any channel-wide broadcast from now on.
Thanks, Oracle. I found a way to get the Batmobile into the compound. They'll pay for this. All of them.
Well, I don't know. No, they will. Eventually.
Gates open. Time to bring in the car.
Hello, car.
Main gates open, get ready. We got $1 million tank headed straight for you.
We deployed a diamond back to the main courtyard, sir. We'll crush him.
Gotta love their optimism. Your 60mm cannon will penetrate these heavily armored units, but it'll take a few direct hits to destroy them.
Butler forces engaged in the loading bay. 2 Diamondbacks in support.
I'm watching.
Well, these are unmanned. Otherwise, we'd be calling Batman a murder attack. I'm doing this to practice for the big fight. Seems like I got an order.
Sir, he punched through the armor, just like you said.
He's searching for hostages. Keep non-essential radio chatter to a minimum. He'll be listening. You are listening, aren't you, Batman? Then listen to this. To all embedded units in Gotham, Operation Savior has begun. Each one of you has a role. Each of you knows your role. So move out of this damn city and lock it down. I want our hands wrapped tight around Gotham's throat within the hour.
Consignment of chemicals on site? Yeah, it's all loading up the choppers.
Well,
I thought we were launching the attack from here. We are. And what are those chemicals? Phase 3.
there's a real anger management
Remind me,
issue,
what is that again?
as
Seriously?
I
Didn't you go to the
must
briefing?
say.
Yeah, I was there, but I've got it tuned out. Well, they were kind of hazy on the details. All I know is... Batman, he's here!
Hello. Whoa!
Get the car into this area before I can use it.
Not carry.
It's weird.
No guns for all you.
I still can't believe the plan. They gave us the keys to the city.
Alright, well that was easy. Oh, and ninjas. Whoa. We're not gonna say ninjas from...
Goes off, right? I'm gonna be stuck out here with that. Get me back order before the bomb goes off, right? I don't want to be stuck out here when it happens.
Come on out. They cut me with the best out.
We'll use to install some toilets. Same kind of thing, I guess.
Wow. No. Maybe I might need to upgrade my thing. Maybe. Yeah, probably should. One. Two. Three. I should probably upgrade the Batmobile's armor too.
I need to get the car into this area before I can use it.
Yeah, you see? Well, I'm not gonna go in there. No, it takes. Oh, yeah. Oh, a medical card? That's not good. Okay, yeah. Surviving people. Oh, that's how I pick up weapons. By clicking. And that's how I break. Wow. That, I admit, was easier, and easier. Oh, come on! I'm trying to... No! Stop, Batman! I am trying to do this. Is that ugly? No. Well... How do I detonate it? Oh, green? Wow.
I need to find a way to shut off that gas. It's toxic.
Yeah, well, I could think of a few ways to shut off the gas, but no, you want to use the Batmobile. No. All of you guys are still taking a nap? That's fine of you. Okay. There we go. Now let's get my car up here. Hello, how are you, car? Yeah? I believe I can fly. I believe. Hello, buddy, how are you? Yeah. Now that I don't get hit too many times, no big deal.
touch Alpha Target's vehicle. Offensive capability way beyond expectation.
He's been busy.
Yes, I have been busy. Thanks for noticing. I upgraded my suit, Jason. You like it? I designed it just for you. Kinda does look like Jason's suit, but it's Batman.
The Batmobile will be able to destroy that pipe.
Yep, everything with the Batmobile. Come on, Betty. Come on, Batmobile. Wow, okay. That was over dramatic, but okay.
That's 2 dead workers now. I should have stopped this.
Yes, Batman. You should have.
Batman, look. I've been talking with Robin. I really think you should consider letting him help you. You're up against an entire army.
She's right. We're a team. This city needs both of us.
I can handle it, Robin. I've told you what you have to do. Now do it.
This can wait.
No, it can't. You know what's at stake. I need you to stay focused, or things will get worse. Much worse.
You shouldn't be so hard on Tim. He only wants to help.
Don't let your feelings for him cloud your judgment.
You think I want him out there in harm's way? I'd rather he stay out of it. But he could help you.
If Robin can't save those people, the fallout will be every bit as dangerous as Scarecrow's bomb.
Man, not technically wrong, no. But if you guys were able to help each other, yeah, I got to do. Let's switch the Batmobile. But I'm on the side of I am on the side of Tim and Barbara. You should at least let him help you. Yeah, you should at least let him help you. What? Okay. What? Yeah, this is a button control. Why didn't it slide? I can't slide? Oh, that's 3 dead.
That's 3 dead now. These animals are going to pay.
We'll stop them. We always do, right?
No, we always do. Because Batman failed to save Robin. Jason Todd Robin, so... But hey, let's go with that. Optimism is the good thing to have.
Ground forces, Powder's Island is under our control. Watchtowers and checkpoints are fully operational. I want attack units on Miagani now. Give me a drone patrolling every damn back alley.
This is as high as the elevator will go.
Come on, I'm trying. Come on! That.
It's a bad idea to drop the elevator while I'm still inside it. It's a bad idea to drop the elevator while I'm still inside it.
Oh, come on! Stop your whining. You can take it. You have armor on. Well, maybe the armor will crack your head. I guess.
Help phase 2 is worth it. My back's killing me.
Uh-huh.
Help phase 2 is worth it. My back's killing me.
Yeah, okay. I don't think I gotten a single regular clip. Not yet.
Don't be long now. As soon as I get the order, I'll put you out of your misery. You should count yourself lucky we didn't kill you
There's
yet.
one doctor. So. Come on! Oh, not reviving people.
You're better than this. Make it count. I've got 4 left. Cover me. I'm fixing this yellow.
Yeah, there we go. That was a piece of pie. Are you alright, sir? Come on.
You're safe now.
You don't know the half of it, Batman.
Stay calm and tell me what you know.
They've been running the plant for hours. They brought in trucks, weapons, soldiers, shipments of hazardous materials. They knew exactly what they were doing.
He's producing his toxin on a massive scale.
It's bad. Real bad. We're talking about a gas cloud that could cover the entire eastern seaboard.
Where do I find Scarecrow?
I got no idea. All I know is he's moving ahead with his plan and he's got a whole freaking army backing him up. We're screwed, Batman.
I'll stop him. But first I'm getting you out of here. Get to the elevator.
Have you found Scarecrow?
Not yet. It's worse than I thought.
How much worse can it be?
He's building a bomb big enough to cover the entire East Coast in fear toxin. Take your men and get out of here. Head to GCPD and lock it down. Keep everyone inside.
I'll get my men off the streets, but I'm going nowhere. You bring anyone you find to me.
Jim, it's too dangerous.
You'll stop him. I know you will.
That's true for some parts. Now, where are you, guy? Elevator is right here.
God, we're stuck down here. This elevator is the only way out and it's busted.
suck.
It's moving. How are you doing that? Who cares? Just time to be getting out of here.
Yeah. Boss fight, I think, is uh-oh, look who it is.
Alfred,
I saw, Sam. Initial scans indicate that the craft is unmanned and being controlled remotely.
weapons lock deactivated.
Wow. No.
See if you can keep up with me!
I don't know if I can or not. Oh, you mean. You're so mean. No, I probably should have upgraded my car first. Nope, this is what I was afraid of. This boss is hard. I know I'm gonna get smoked. Oh, no, bye. Oh, no. Yeah, well, you're giving me a run for my money. You're not? You're very mean. That's just you and me. Come on. Oh, no.
So much more interesting.
Yeah, well, it's interesting, alright. Oh, crap.
What's wrong? We have
Oh,
to slow
crap.
it down. Maybe you should just give up.
Well, you almost got me for one. Oh. I'm surprised I even won that fight.
You haven't won. Tonight, you pay for everything.
Master Bruce, there are militia tanks all over the city. Gotham is overrun.
if I don't stop Scarecrow's bomb, there'll be no city to save.
All honesty, I thought I was gonna die, man. That was nerve-wracking. Oh, anyway, guys and girls, that's all. Next time we'll be meeting Scarecrow in the chemical area thingy. Inside Ace Chemicals or whatever. After we rescue the last hostage. Anyway, guys and girls, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me your favorite, Batman scene. So, bye.
カムサリ